So we are going to start with the third lesson of physical chemistry, that is electrochemistry. So as usual in the same pattern of physical chemistry, one 5 marks question, one 2 mark question and one 1 mark question. So we'll start with that. So I'll choose the pen. One second. Yeah. So first 5 marks question, part A is fixed, that is the Nernst equation. Nernst equation numerical. The two numerical I have given example 3.1, example 3.2 example. This is from NCRT. See, I am saying NCRT. You can if you don't have, you can download it from Google. The PDF is available. NCRT. So and in text, which is back, say 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6. This answer is also available in Google. So NCRT equation. Next is she the diagram they will ask, see 3 marks, they'll ask this diagram, standard hydrogen and electrode. Most of the time they'll ask only this diagram. Draw the diagram and label it. You have to label it properly. But sometimes they may ask this equation, any of the equation which are convenient you can know. Then what is Colorage law, give what is Faraday's law and osmotic conduction. This and all they may split and ask as the 2 marks. So again I'm saying Nernst equation, only these questions which I have given here, no, that only they are going to ask. If see same type, similar type of question, then only if they change, they can change the number because the formula remains same. Then I told standard hydrogen electron, most of the time this says this and this Colorage law, most of the time they have repeated. Then Faraday's laws and their Faraday's laws and all. So I do not need to stress it again. This too you be careful. Then Faraday's and osmosis go through once. So next we'll go. See 2 marks. 2 marks and see molar conductivity of weak and strong electrolyte. What is molar conductivity of weak electrolyte and strong electrolyte? Standard hydrogen electrode we saw already here. Standard hydrogen electron, only diagram they'll ask for 2 marks. Colorage law again learnt. See this and all you learnt. Faraday's law definition. Faraday's law definition or numericals based on Faraday's law. One time they asked that I have given example 3.10, you can refer in the textbook. Then anodic or cathodic reaction. See anode or cathode, what reaction takes place of secondary cells. See anodic cathodic reaction of secondary cells they may ask. H2O2 cells they may ask, and they may ask what is corrosion, methods to prevent corrosion. What is corrosion and method to prevent corrosion. I cannot write it here, so I am saying it. See what is corrosion, method to prevent. What is corrosion carries 1 mark and method to prevent carries another marks. Method. It is very difficult to write in most. So method to prevent corrosion, again they are going to ask. So these two merging, actually I should give it a separate question, but I gave it here. This you can take it as 6th question if you want. So you then 1 mark. See Faraday's law. See Faraday's law is very important. Everywhere you are going to get. But here they are going to ask the charge required. 1 Faraday required, 2 Faraday required. If you go through NCRT exercise, these 3 questions, you can see most of the time they'll ask this 1 marks Faradays in which preparatory district wise paper or in a PU board paper, board exam. Everywhere this Faraday's law, especially this sum is very important. Molar conductivity, in that topic they may ask unique definition, effect of dilution. These 3 topics are important. Then Nernst equation expression they may ask, I think so, Nernst equation. Anodic cathodic reaction at any cell they see at any cell, secondary cell or like that, any cell they may ask most probably they ask secondary cell, but every cell you go through once, so it will be useful for you at any cell. See every cell you go through, but stress on secondary cell. So I'll quickly recall what we learned. See 5 marks, part A carries 3 marks, 2 marks. Then standard hydrogen electron, most of the time they ask diagram. If they ask sometimes this you have to write this equation. Then I explained 2 marks, then 1 marks also I explained. So now this lesson, as every lesson, once again, yeah, pointer is here. It has 1 5 marks question, 1 2 marks question and 1 mark question. 5 6 as usual it has 8 marks question. So we covered 3 physical chapters. So next I'm coming with chemical kinetics, and I'm thinking to keep the surface chemistry at last and go with organic or inorganic chemistry. So we'll see in the next videos. Until that, please do a revision of these 3 lessons. Go through this. Most probably you'll get 90 plus by referring this video. Go through your class notes, then NCRT. NCRT you have to go for 1 marks. Rest and all you can get from your class notes in this video. Thank you.